One day I noticed on LinkedIn that the CPS were recruiting for legal trainees, and I have to admit that at the time I didn't really know much about the organisation. But the more I looked into it and the further along the application process I got, the more excited I became about the possibility of joining the CPS. There are some obvious benefits of being an employee, with the addition of a guaranteed job at the end of training, and job security really appealed to me. But more so, I discovered that I was able to train as a solicitor and still have a court-based advocacy career at the end of it. The trainee scheme is structured in a way that offers great flexibility to ensure that at the end of your training, you're equipped with all of the skills and knowledge to become a really good Crown prosecutor. The Learning and Development team run excellent in-house training to support this and your ongoing career development. But the highlight for me is that there isn't a definitive day in the life of a legal trainee. Every day is different. And this makes training very exciting and very interesting. So one day I may be observing in the Magistrates Court, and the next I might be in the Crown Court. And it's amazing how different the courts are. But I also spend some time reviewing charging decisions, drafting court applications, and some legal research, just to name a few things that I might do. One of the important things that I've found as a trainee, and I'm really thankful for this, is the great support from all of the CPS staff that I meet, from my supervisor and line manager to prosecutors and administrators. And despite being really busy, they will all go out of their way to answer any questions I might have or point me in the right direction. Another huge benefit is that there are so many other trainees based all around the country that started at roughly the same time as I did. And we have a group chat that's very supportive, and it's nice to meet some of those people face to face when doing some training. Before I joined the CPS, I hadn't realised that there are lots of different career paths available, and I could take whichever one I felt suited me and fitted in with my career plan. And I feel really privileged to have this opportunity in front of me. And at the moment, I'm not sure which path I'll venture down yet, but I'm certainly looking forward to the journey. So if you have an interest in criminal law and advocacy and justice, and are thinking about applying to the CPS, my advice would be just to go for it. You won't regret it. It's a fantastic opportunity, and I wish you lots of luck.